I spot another lift shaft, probably another Gen 2. Probably the same developers, yep. Exactly the same. Just this one has two really broken indicators. And also it runs weird. This has a red theming though. Parkland Crescent. Lift number 10. Wow. MRL and coach platforms. The indicator's like green, and this one's like red. It's 12th of December 2022 apparently. Same for both, and apparently it's 12:52 AM. Lifts. Probably all the same developers, to be honest, all the buildings here, even though they're different architecture styles. Well, I mean, I appreciate the different architecture styles, but still, it's kind of disappointing. This feels like it's set up really weird, where it's like designed to be very smooth, but it also feels extremely weird.